So guys, for the first method, we're just going to simply restart the page. You can do that by pressing on F5 on your keyboard or by clicking on the refresh button. See if that works for you. For the second method, once you're on YouTube, you want to look at the link right here. Right next to it is going to be saying view site information. You want to click on this. And now you want to click on cookies and site data. And now you want to click on manage on device site data. And then once you're on this, you want to delete everything that comes up here. And then click on done. Now you want to click on reload. You want to reload YouTube, see if that works for you. For the next method, once you're on our web browser, you want to click on the three dots in the top right. Now you want to click on settings. Now once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to click on about your web browser. It's now going to start checking for updates. Make sure that your web browser is fully up to date. For the next method, on the left hand side, you want to click on extensions. And now if you have any extensions that you think may be causing a problem, then you just want to disable them. For example, adblock could be causing you a problem. Try to disable that and then see if that works for you. For the last method, just try doing a simple restart of your computer. And you could also unplug your keyboard, restart your computer and then plug it back in again. Now hopefully one of these methods would have fixed your problem.